Desert sunset, a rainy day, moonlight waterfall, unicorn, girl on the swing, aurora night drawing. What is common among all these phrases? Apart from the beautiful amalgamation of words, the splendid rendition of these all onto paper and canvas. All these and more by a mere 7-year-old Ignore Kaur, a child artist. Welcome Ignore to News Shuttle, our exclusive channel for Wonder Kids. How are you this morning?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm all well. Great to have you, Ignore. So, can we know something about yourself? Please introduce yourself here.
To begin with, art speaks where words are unable to explain. My name is Ignore. I am 7 years old. I study in grade of Mount Carmel Unit School. I have many hobbies like drawing, dancing, swimming, hooping with hula hoop, playing Casio, cooking, doing makeup.
All right, great to know. What a versatile versatile child you are. You have so many interests. That's great to know. So, Ignore, tell me something about your journey now, your art journey. How did you get interested in art? Is it a new passion that you have created for yourself, or does it go back to when you were small?
I created this passion initially in drawing classes. I learned basics like different types of flowers, leaves, trees, hairstyles, eyes, so on. When I started viewing those makeup face painting videos like fairies, butterflies, cartoons, unicorns, rainbows, and then I got interested in art, so I started learning more drawings, hairstyles, techniques, forms, color combinations. And art is not a thing, it is a way to express your love.
Indeed it is. Art definitely gives you way more things to express yourself. Okay, so what is the medium that you like most? From all the paintings and drawings that you have done, so what is that one medium that you enjoy the most?
I have done different forms of art like bottle paintings and canvas painting, water paintings, but I like oil pastels the most because they have unique and different types of colors, and it really feels enjoying, and I really have fun to do it.
All right, great. So oil pastels. I am sure you must be having an insane variety of them all. So how many shades do you own?
50.
50? My God, 50. That's a great number, and we are sure that your palette becomes more and more colorful as time passes, as you grow old. So how do you choose what to draw?
I dream my painting and I paint my dream. I use my imagination and creativity for my drawings. Also, I have participated in multiple competitions of my school and also from outside. So for that, I draw according to the topic given.
All right, great. So can you share with us some achievements of yours in the art field?
So I have won many art competitions from my school and outside. One of my art which I made in my school Christmas competitions, I made an angel, and I also secured first in that, and it was awarded as the best art of the school, and it was framed in my headmistress' room.
Oh, lovely. Okay, so these are your achievements. Your headmistress must be really proud of your work and by adorning her room with your work.
This is of Independence Day art competition.
Okay.
And this one is of Founding Day art competition.
All right.
This is Earth Day competition, I guess. And this is one more which I have secured. This is that Christmas decoration one.
All right. Okay. Wonderful, Ignore. Wonderful and so inspiring, I must say. Speaking about inspiration, so could you tell us, what is the thing that inspires you to create such lovely art? As you spoke about different mediums, where do you get inspired from?
Inspired from my mom, because she has a very good drawing, and so I got interested in art, and I got inspired from those colors and drawings. So I gained that confidence to draw and color.
All right, so it runs all in the blood, it's in the genes.
And I also learned from my teacher, as I told you.
Okay, all right. So you lovely mentor and a wonderful mother to teach you have. That's great to know. So, Ignore, any message for the viewers and our budding artists that you want to give? Because a lot of children will be watching this video and they would love to, learn, and they would love to know about your art sessions that you take for your age kids. So, any message that you want to give?
Yes. This message is for our viewers that use your creativity to draw and color, and draw as beautiful as you can, and color beautiful as you can. And this message is for our budding artists itself, that draw more drawings, and you use your imagination and draw creative drawings, use more unique and colorful colors, and love drawing and coloring.
Definitely, love is the most important factor in doing anything, and that definitely shines out in your work. Great to know it too. So, can you show us your work now, and we'll speak just a little bit, some lines on them?
This is a drawing which I made.
Okay, this is
a dawn scene which I made.
Mm-hmm.
And I have made ducks and the water moving.
Yeah, this definitely.
I've made birds.
This is, I must tell you, this is fit for an art exhibition.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And I have drawn it in a heart shape.
Yeah, I can see that. Lovely.
This is another drawing which I have made.
That's a unique. Okay.
This is a night scene. And it is and there is a unicorn in that, and the girl is loving that unicorn.
Okay, wonderful.
This is another drawing which I made. This is for the it was a story session, so on that I had to make this drawing of Hanumanji flying across, going to Lanka.
Okay. All right.
It's according to my Hanumanji story.
Okay.
This is I made for my school on this Save Earth contest.
Yeah, all right. And I'm sure you must have won that contest.
on that. This is again one of my beautiful, and I love.
Oh, wonderful. Just in time for Janmashtami. Janmashtami is just round the corner this month. This is
I
so
have done it from sketch pen.
okay. All right. Colors.
So you and I really love pets, so I have made a lot of animal drawings.
But
I
two.
also have a pet rabbit. So I have made this one.
Okay. Can we meet? Can we meet the little rabbit? What's its name?
His name is Rusty.
Rusty, how are you? Oh my God! And lovely. Is that your sister? The background. Hello, little one. Hi. We saw you in ICNUR's paintings. Hi, Rusty. So that is one inspiration. Animal lover, and you keep your rabbit Rusty in front, and you
Many more drawings.
lovely. It's so humbling and inspiring. Words fall short when I talk about you at such a tender age. You have that vision and that great work that you are doing. That's so good to know, and I'm sure it sends out a great message to our children viewers, their parents, and everyone, how to hone skills for your children, how to make them go forward. Thank you, ICNUR, so much. It's been wonderful, and seeing Team Rusty was really a treat to the eyes. I'm sure our viewers will love it. Thank you, ICNUR. Have a great day, and keep sharing your drawings on our platforms. Thank you so much.